No.
Cat'll play nice.
I want him just to play nice.
They'd be fine. Dear.
If I'm not worried about the damn squirrel, I don't want him to scare it away.
Can we? Dada. Dada.
What?
Can we? No, that fire pit that's down there.
I think it must be. Why?
Do you think we could
Do it tonight?
Yeah, take it
Weston
out.
wants to make s'mores.
Yeah.
Oh, because I didn't bring them last week, did I?
I forgot him too.
I didn't even think of it. Is that the kitty? Is that Cuddles?
As long as he stayed around.
Yeah,
I think so. This is.
well, he's supposed to play.
Kinda has
No,
cats.
Well, yeah, but he hasn't
And
played with the
also,
cats
if you drop
for
the
a
camera
while.
and it goes in there and it broke.
It's been quite a while since he played with the cats.
Cuddles don't like him.